Hi everyone, I'm Maz from Hub and Oak Realty and I specialize in luxury properties of South Delhi. So today we are in Shivalik. We are here to showcase a 208 square yard property. So this is the outer facade you can see. If I tell you a little about it, it is actually well made because the rooms are pretty airy and there's pretty too much natural light coming inside. And being a 208 square yards, people think that the rooms will be very congested, the living area will be really small, but over here the things are actually a little opposite to that. So come, we'll show you the property from the inside. This is the parking where you get two car parkings inside, and you have your servant rooms getting made at the back, and easily approximately 8 to 9 cars can be parked in here. There's a basement as well. So today let's see one of the middle floors. We can see. So this is one of the middle floors that we are showcasing today. And right here we enter directly into the living and the dining area. Over here there's still some work left on this wall. There was some seepage issue that has been resolved by the builder. So the builder over here has given beautiful wooden work on this wall with great ambient lighting over here, and beautiful ceiling work has also been done because it is kind of double layered that the builder has provided. You get two air conditions here, one is right over there and one this side. Over here we get the guest room, and there's two bedrooms at the back side as well. So this is basically a 3 BHK and 3 washrooms. So there's one washroom that is connected to one of the bedrooms, which is also the powder room. So this is the guest room over here with beautiful wooden flooring done, and your huge wardrobes being given here. Again, false ceiling work has been done here a little bit, and there's this air conditioner attached. I'll show you the attached washroom in a bit. This is one of the key points of this property, that the builder has given a really good sized balcony in this, and there's plenty of greenery outside. You got trees all around, and there's a park as well just at the corner that you can see. This is the attached washroom over here of the guest room. You get your shower area on the right hand side. This was the entry. You get your security system here, and this is the kitchen over here. So again, plenty of cabinets, a bit of glass work also been done on the cabinets, and you have a pretty big space for your refrigerator over here. You can get your dishwasher this side, and again so many cabinets below as well. I really like this purple color as well that the builder has given. So this is the powder room that is attached to the second bedroom over here. So this powder room also gets a shower area, because powder rooms don't usually have a shower area, they usually only have the wash basin and the WC. So it's a two-way entry. Again, pretty huge, good capacity wardrobes, your air conditioner and your false ceiling. This is the backside balcony. So this balcony is also attached to the third bedroom. So this is the last bedroom over here. And again, your air conditioner, false ceiling, and your wardrobes has been provided with automatic lightings over here. This is again attached to the backside balcony, like the second bedroom, and your attached washroom. Thank you everyone for watching the video, and I hope you like this video as well, and you have been following our YouTube page, our YouTube channel before as well, because we have been posting a lot of videos. So we are coming up with more videos in future, and we are coming up with resale properties as well, like we did with Anand Niketan. We really like this property because, as I told you at the starting as well of the video, that the builder has made this property a little different from other 208 square yard properties, because it feels a little more airy, and too much natural light is there. Plus there's a park as well, plus the communication to this locality is really good, and there's market nearby as well, there's hospital nearby, there's schools nearby. So definitely this is one of the options that you should look for when you are buying a house. So thank you again for watching a video, and keep following us. Thank you.